Hello, welcome back. Just wanted to give another update of what I've been doing. Pretty sure it's called the bow spit. I just wanted to have a look. It's a bit hollow. So I've cut it out to inspect it, and that's what we were. So thermalite, gonna go back in there. And I want to reinforce the bottom, and for me to do that I'm either going to have to take this out or take the whole cap off, the top cap, which kind of wouldn't mind doing so I can repair all under here. So I've gone through with the little multi-tool and cut in there, but it's not all the way through, so I've just got to get the grinder, thin cutting wheel, cut all that. I'll have to cut up there and separate that, and also on the inside, of here I have to cut that. And that is where I'm up to at the moment. It's a bit weird that they didn't build, when they were building the boat, they didn't actually come in and fiberglass there. So I'm gonna have to take all the gunnels off, all the top cap. Lift it off, do what I need to do up the front and everywhere else while I've got it off, and then put it back on. So that's where I'm at the moment. I've got, I don't know if in the last video I showed it, but I've got the fuel tank here. Now I've cut out that little bit of a bulkhead. I'm going to put it back a little bit, so we have a bit of even weight distribution from when I put the rear deck on, the pod on, the motor. I'm going to need more weight up the front, so that's why I'm doing that. I'll probably get them changed around, but yeah, that's where I'm up to at the moment. But yeah, I don't want to bore you with any cutting and grinding and stuff like that, so I'm just going to give you a bit of updates at the moment, unless you actually want to see what I'm doing bit by bit. Anyway, have a good one.